Hi, welcome to the GenAI Matrix course. The goal of this course is to take you from a beginner GenAI user to an expert user in 7 sessions. My name is Lucky from Gen Educate. Let's dive in. In every session on this course, we look at how to use the skills learned in that session responsibly. But we also talk about how it can't be used irresponsibly, just so you know to avoid that. I would summarize this. The very first part is to verify the output. We've practiced different areas and we've talked about different areas on how to verify the output. Use adversarial techniques to prevent hallucination. Do it in different steps so you're sure at the end. The second part here is to avoid imputing or using sensitive information in public generative AI tools. Instead, you focus on using the private organizational secure mode. In most of the tools, you have the organizational secure mode that you can put it into. If you're not sure how to do it, just Google how to make it secure or private organizational mode. That's the second part. The third part is to avoid imprecise prompts and use delimiters and give generative AI specific guidance. Generative AI needs a lot of guidance, especially when you start using it for something new. When you guide it, say the first few times, once generative AI gets it, you'll be shocked how well it continues to create the same thing. But it needs that guidance at the beginning. First, second, third. If you've used the right prompt and you've guided it properly, by the third time you're getting excellent content. You wouldn't need to do much. You just repeat the process and continue. The fourth one is to avoid using generative AI for generic emails, basically, or other content. So you can use a few short examples, chain of thought logic that we've covered to personalize the content, the emails. And the fifth part is to avoid vague prompts. So you can use a structure like the PTCF. There are other structures, but the PTCF works really well. So your prompt is not vague, it's structured. And the last part, the sixth part, is to double check key details, especially technical details, after. Doing all of these would ensure you're using your generative AI tools excellently and responsibly, and you wouldn't have all the irresponsible issues that we hear of in industry. But thank you very much for staying to the end of this session, and I'll see you in the next session. Have a good day. Thank you.